What's up, y'all? It's your boy Mikelanta. I'm from Highlanda. I am on Highway 55 North, headed towards Milwaukee. I think right now I'm in, where am I? I know I'm in Illinois somewhere, but I'm on 55. Now I just left Kentucky yesterday. Got my shorts on, my white tee, sweating like a dog, cause it's hot as I don't know what. So I wake up, get my day started. You know, I'm thinking it's gonna be, you know, warm like it was yesterday. Total change of events. And I still got my shorts on and my white tee. Freezing my butt off. It is 36 degrees and it's snowing. I don't know if it's ice on the road or what. I mean, it's a little windy, but I done already passed about, I would say about 10 cars that done rolled off in the ditch. Like, I'm at a loss for words. Like, my goodness. This is probably my second video on this spring weather. And guess where I'm at? Just like in my last video, where am I at? Up north. Never fails. Now I don't know where this blizzard came from. Somebody mentioned it. Mentioned something about a blizzard the other day. I don't know if I heard it on the radio or what, but my goodness, I didn't know. You know, I didn't really like Google it to see where exactly it was. I guess I was so used to the good weather, so I didn't really look it up. But I mean, right now it looks like I didn't have to look it up because I'm riding right in it. I mean, it started with a little bit of snow flurries as I was coming up here. No, first I got a little hint of it with the degrees. I think when I was in Kentucky, I woke up, it was like 50 degrees, I believe. Just like it was the day before. You know, I wasn't in Kentucky, but I think I was in like South Carolina or something like that. But, or North Carolina. You know, about 60 degrees in the morning time. So, you know, I'm thinking temperature gonna go up. As I start driving, you know, that 40 degrees turned into 39 degrees. So I'm like, okay, you know, it's still the morning time. I started driving, by the way, this morning at like 2 in the morning, so I ain't really think the temperature was gonna go up, you know, that fast. I mean, it's nighttime. The day ain't even started. But as the sun came up, you know, I made it to St. Louis, picked up this load I got, and now I'm headed to Milwaukee. But the temperature started falling on me. And, you know, next thing you know, I see a little bit of flurries. You know, at this point, no snow on the ground, you know, it's all green, clear. I get up a little further, and this is what I run into. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but, you know, I gotta ride in the middle lane right now because the outside lanes pretty much covered in snow. You know, there's a little track I can ride on, but the way these people going off in the ditch, I don't even know if that's a good idea right now. know I need to change clothes before I get sick up in this thing. Cause this change of weather ain't no joke. Now I'm gonna look up and see how long this blizzard's supposed to last. See something here. Staying on I-55. I'm gonna look to see how long this blizzard gonna be. I'm actually stopping here in about an hour or so. But I'm gonna look it up and see how long this gonna last. This is depressing. But I mean, it's all good. I ain't gonna lie, you know, a little snow ain't gonna hurt nobody, but it gonna hurt me. As y'all know, I do not like the cold weather. I'm about tired of snow. It's like I can't escape it. I got a few days of vacation from it, and now I'm back in it. Man, this is crazy. Pretty much all I got to say. I'm speechless. I am speechless. I got these boots that I was wearing, or I've been wearing them even when it rained, you know, but they good for the weather, you know, snow, ice. They look like rain boots. I'll show you guys later on, probably. I don't know if it's gonna be in this video or the next one, but I actually put them up. I put the shoes up. And I said, you know, I really don't need these no more, unless it's just like raining stupid. I mean, but it ain't really been raining like that these past few days. This guy got a flat tire. But you know, it really ain't been raining like that. It looks like I'm gonna have to whip them bad boys back out. Woo-wee. And the wind's blowing. You know that's bad when the wind blows so hard, and it's cold, and it's wet, and it's snowing. Y'all gotta forgive me. I know y'all probably don't even want to hear me. I really don't care. I can go all day with this rant right here. My goodness, I should have definitely checked the weather report just to see what I was getting myself into. Oh man, we got a truck on the side of the road. Y'all need to be careful out here. It looked like he caught the that there shoulder. Let's see what he got here. Oh man. Oh man, I hate to see stuff like that. I really do. It don't make no sense. Don't make no sense. I mean, that's why I drive pretty slow when it comes to this weather. But hopefully he alright. Or she. Hopefully he or she is alright. But you hate to see that. You really do. Man. Well, hopefully the north sees some kind of sunlight soon. I feel sorry for these plants and these trees because they can't even grow. They can't even what they call it, spring up. I don't even know, is it even spring break here? I know my kids, they out for spring break this week. They go back to school tomorrow. I don't know how it is up north though, how they spring break work. They might not even be out for spring break. Right, y'all, I'm just checking in, man. Just checking in. I'm out. Y'all drive safe out there, man. Drive safe. Keep those wheels turning, but turn them slow today. If you up north on 55, turn them slow, but keep them turning.